Has your charger broke off into your phone? Well, if you're like me, here's a quick solution for you. Instead of using glue like a lot of people have seen and said you should use on YouTube, I found a quick solution using a women's eyebrow plucker, or men's. It's a very skinny version, a very pointy one, so that it can fit inside of your charger slot. As you can see, here is the piece. So what I did was, while it was inside, of course, I spreaded it out just a little bit so it got around it inside there and squeezed it so that it bent the sides in a little bit. Once I was able to do that, you can stick it right into the charger slot and then just grab one of the corners and you can start wiggling it up as you keep going, and eventually comes right out. Anyway, that's it. Simple.